Yes.
That was my sister boat right there.
Yes.
We were debating whether or not these guys are hunting or running.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
They might be running.
Yeah.
Might be
Well,
a big
there's
fish
a lot
with
of
big teeth
them.
down here.
Yeah. There's a lot of them for sure. Oh my God, that's amazing.
A single spinner dolphin by itself is no match for a tiger shark, but together they can all pull
Yes,
one up.
look at all of them.
So guys, these are Hawaiian spinners, like I was saying. This is the most common species of dolphin in the Hawaiian Islands. I didn't want to promise them to you until we found them, but we see these guys almost every morning. The reason why it's so common to see them specifically, watch this, we still breathe. Dolphins are different, they are voluntary oxygen. They fall asleep like we need it. So cool! That's why they call them spinner dolphins, by the way. If they fell asleep entirely, they'd drown. So instead, they shut off one hemisphere of their brain at a time. Sleep half their brain, halfway through the morning, they'll flip-flop which side's asleep, and then by the time they wake up in the early afternoon, they're fully rested. Yeah, I don't think these guys are either wound up because there's some sort of predator in the area, or they might be transitioning from waking to sleeping. Sometimes they act really erratically like this as they're sort of mellowing out for their morning. They may have been out late partying last night.
We're here, Alexis. Right there, right behind you.
So lots to say about this area, by the way, you guys. Where the sand ends and the cliffs begin, this is the beginning of our Nā Pali
Oh my God, they're literally right next to the boat.
Look down, they like to surf on the bow.
Oh my God, that's crazy. Hey guys.
Average pod size for these dolphins is anywhere from 30 to 300 individuals. And for every dolphin you see on the surface, there's about 4 more on the water. I would not be surprised if there were 200 other dolphins in this water. It's a big pod. Back in here.
Yeah.
Now the birds are not doing a very good job of redecorating this cave. I don't like to stay in here for long to stay up in the beginning.
Yeah. That's cool. Look at all the birds.
What'd you think?
Hey guys, it's almost 1 o'clock Hawaiian time. The day is here. It's Mom's birthday up there.
Hi.
5-0, Hawaii 5-0. We just got done with our 4-hour tour of Nā Pali Coast. And it was incredible. We got to see probably like 100 dolphins, right?
More than that.
Yeah, she said it was
A couple hundred. She said it could be up to 300 dolphins in the pond, which was just incredible. They were right by us. We even got to see the Coast Guard. I enjoyed that. And now we're heading to Mom's birthday lunch. Really great day so far.
Don't feed the chickens.
Lights on the highway. Lay me down in the sheets of linen. You had a busy day today. Bach? How did they get up there? Oh my god.
That's what I said.